know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin Krew. You're watching what? Kweenpin Entertainment. Welcome back, Kweenpin Krew. I'm back with another lit video for you today. And this one is very, very, very special. So as you guys know, I mostly had like beauty products and like hair sponsors. But this is my first ever jewelry sponsorship. And I am so geeks because I've been looking at this company for a minute and they have really cute necklaces, beautiful jewelry, and I am just so excited to show you guys what I got today. Before we get into the video, if you want 30% off your order, use discount code Kweenpin, spelled the way I spell it, for 30% off. Okay? You're actually gonna want to use that discount code because when I say their jewelry is so freaking fire, it's so freaking fire. So let me hurry up and show you guys what I got because I'm super geeks. Okay, so the name of the company is Pretentious Goods, and look, it's so cute. I have to scribble out my name, y'all, so don't be trying to look me up. But look at their packaging. It's really, really cute. This is just what they send it off in. And I'm just so excited to go in here and open up what I got. But before I do that, I do want to give you guys a little background of what the company is and what it is about. So yes, so the name of the company again is Pretentious Goods, and I really like the name, but I think what I like most of all about the company is how it started and the people behind it. So it's actually a black-owned company and it's by a couple. Like, the founders are a couple, and to my knowledge they've been together for quite a while. Okay, so it started by this couple and their names are Brandon and Rachael, and they said that they were having a conversation about crystals and the healing properties of them and stuff, and it led them to create this jewelry line, and they specialize in crystals and gold. And I think what separates them is they're not like a lot of the crystal and gold you just see around. Like, they look really sleek, really nice, and I don't know, I just really love it. So on their page you can read about them a little bit, and I will insert their page, I will insert their Instagram and stuff like that. But they were saying when you wear it, it's like a manifestation of their love for crystals, nature, and each other. And I think that is really beautiful because I'm a love bug. Like, I'm a hopeless romantic. So anything revolving around love, like the genre of love in general, romance, movies, books, all of it, like, I don't care. If it's romance based, I'm all for it. So I think it was so beautiful that they put that into their business and they're working together as a team. And it's just like, not only is it love, it's black love. It's just beautiful. So I definitely recommend, and I can tell just by their page and just by their website that they put a lot of love into it and a lot of thought. And yeah, make sure you check them out. Like I said, use discount code Kweenpin for 30% off your order. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. For starters, I like that their stickers say Black Love Owned. That is cute as hell. Okay, that is cute as Black Love Owned. Just love owned in general. Like, that's beautiful as hell. That's so beautiful. I love when partners can come together and create something magical, and I think that's what this is. And not only is it magical, but they utilize crystals, which makes it even more magical. I actually don't know what I got sent, so I'm super excited because it's like, they actually sent it for my birthday, so it's like getting to open this birthday present, and I love a good surprise. Oh, they're cute. They put the MF in Kweenpin. As y'all know, that is my Instagram and my Twitter and my TikTok. Look, y'all, that's like all my socials. So speaking of socials, don't forget to follow me on them, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you are liking everything in here. But without further ado, let me see what they sent me. Ooh, this is cute. Look, y'all, it matches my mannequin, so I really like that. Okay, it's heavy. I'm opening this. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. There was just so many stickers that just fell out of there. Hold on. So first things first, when you open the card, there's just a bunch of cute stickers, lots of butterflies and Hello Kitty. That is so cute. Ooh, I like the Egypt Hello Kitty, okay? The Egyptian Hello Kitty. Yes, ma'am. And the cheerleader one. And the festival, or the carnival, or whichever one. And then the other butterflies and the flower. Okay, sorry, y'all. I also really like this sexy picture sticker. That is so sexy. Actually, I think this might be a portrait of Rachael, the owner, one of the owners. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a portrait of her, which is very sexy. I might have to hang this up, girl. Now I see why it has some weight. These are actually magnets. If I'm not mistaken, these are either like magnets or these might go in your car. I don't know, but like, yes ma'am. I've never gotten anything like this set before. Not with hair, not with beauty products, not with anything, not even with clothes. Like, this is real nice. Okay, Pretentious goods. Y'all out here doing your big one. I like it. Now let me read the card, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, can we first talk about the penmanship? Can we give a round of applause for the penmanship? Rachael, thank you so much. That's so beautiful. Thank you. I'm actually one of those people who keeps cards, so yeah. This one feels lighter, so I'm gonna open this one first. Okay. Okay, cute boxes with the names. Alright, y'all, I might let y'all see it first. Aww, how beautiful, y'all. It has the Cancer symbol on it and it's pink. That's my favorite color. Y'all, okay, y'all just heard me say that, but that's really my favorite color. Oh, and this don't feel cheap, y'all. It do not feel cheap. This got some weight to it. This got some weight, okay? Oh, wow. And when you take it out, more stickers. The Pretentious goods. I mess with y'all. I mess with y'all heavy because these are some groovy stickers. Can I talk about the logo real quick? It's beautiful. I love it. This is so beautiful. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Rachael. I really appreciate this. I really do. Okay, time for the second one, y'all. Oh, now that right here. Now that right here. This right here. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Look, and you can see the raw crystals. I think that's like my favorite. Look. That is so beautiful. And then, you know, of course, the Cancer symbol. Hold on. And then, of course, the beautiful stickers. Oh my gosh. Y'all did not have to do this. This was so beautiful. Thank you. I'm so obsessed. Look. This one looks like their 18 karat rhodonite necklace in the sign Cancer. That is freaking beautiful. I just can't take it. I just cannot. So I think what I really like about the rhodonite necklace is, like I said, it's 18 karat gold. It's the raw, or it's not the raw form, but it's the rhodonite. It's really for like maintaining balanced energies and fulfilling your purpose in life. And I think that is really beautiful, and it's really fitting to the things that I'm trying to do within my life. And it's like, they sent me this without even knowing that, and I think that was so beautiful. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. Like, that was so thoughtful. Thank you. So this one is actually what looks like 2 necklaces that was sent to me. So I think that's really beautiful. So you guys sent me a total of 3. I really appreciate that. But I'm gonna start with the Century necklace. It looks to be like one of their 18 karat raw crystal gold point, or no, 18 karat gold raw crystal point necklaces, and this is in the citrine one. What I really like about this crystal is that it's really good for like cleansing your energetic body, and it's really good for inviting forgiveness and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna wear this every time I'm mad at my girlfriend for no reason. I'm definitely gonna wear this or channel this stone and this crystal just to try to cleanse my spirit and invite that back in. And also, I think what I'm really gonna like about that is that this business was founded with love. So just wearing this and knowing that it's from a business that is based in love in general is gonna help me be more forgiving and more open. So I really do appreciate this crystal. You guys are beautiful for sending that. And then I have one of their 18 karat zodiac necklaces with a heart pendant, and it's in the sign Cancer because, you know, we're winning again. So I'm super excited about that. So thank you guys so much for that. And I'm pretty sure these are their 18 karat raw amethyst earrings, which I'm going to be wearing very soon. Very beautiful, and I really appreciate these guys. Like, amethyst is good for just healing all around. It's a pretty wonderful starter stone and crystal. So if you guys are ever getting into gems and crystals, I definitely recommend amethyst as a beautiful starter crystal. I'm really happy to have some stones, gems, and crystals to wear, because I don't think I even have any that I actually wear besides, you know, like maybe diamond or something, but like ones that I utilize when I actually meditate and stuff. So that's beautiful to have some of these to wear. So I really appreciate it, guys. You guys have no idea. Guys, those were my goodies for Pretentious Goods, and I just want to say thank you again, Brandon and Rachel. I really appreciate it. I wish nothing but beauty and luck on your love. I wish nothing but beauty and love on your family. And thank you guys for extending that to me and mine as well. You guys were beautiful. I really adored the gifts. I appreciated them very heavily. And I really appreciated the letter too. You guys have no idea. So thank you so much. Like, I can't even extend a world of thanks. So thank you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all of that good shenanigans. Follow my socials. And yeah, don't forget, check out Pretentious Goods if you guys want to get your hands on some of their stuff. You really should. It's beautiful, black owned, black loved owned, just all of those beautiful things. And they have some really gorgeous stuff. Like, they have some really good quality things, and you'd be missing out. You'd be missing out not to use my discount code Kweenpin for 30% off. Okay, they're already really affordable, and who doesn't like an extra 30% off of an affordable product, you know? So definitely do that. Tell them Kweenpin sent you, and thank you so much for watching. So if you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K, and thank you so much for watching Kweenpin Entertainment. Kweenpin out.